coming now, down now. Oh my goodness. It's really fun, but it's too much taking time.
Ready for your turn? Ready for your turn? Bye!
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
I need to scan the code. This is the scanner code. If I'll do this like, and it will start printing the ticket here. And I got my tickets. Let's go.
So this is how we have to.
Sanvi, I gave you a ticket, right?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's
I
go.
have in my hand.
Let's go. Fam. So we are going today the Blue Mountain Resort. Yes, so we are at Blue Mountain area for skiing, not skiing. Actually, snow tubing. So you can see this is actually the Blue Mountain, which is in Pennsylvania, USA. So we are at here today to just show you like how we can enjoy snow tubing if it's not snowing over here. So let me show you. So this is how it looks like. You can see the snow mountain over there. So that's snow mountain they create to like fake snow. So that's why everybody can.
It's not fake, it's real.
So it's actually the real snow. They create real snow for snow tubing. And now we are going to enter to get our ticket. So this is our first time. This is tubing park entrance. So this is, you can see everybody is snow tubing. And now we are going inside. And see no ski boots while tubing. You can see this is restroom. If you want to go restroom, just before.
I'm going bathroom.
Huh?
Bathroom.
Okay. So after refreshment, we're going out. This is actually snow tubing area. How it looks like. This is the snow tubing area if it's not snowing in Pennsylvania. So this is how, like all the, this is our cabin over here. This is all like, they are all spending some fun time while snow over here. They are all enjoying the bonfire over here.
Hi, Robert!
You got plans over here? You should come with me.
with our tickets, right? We have to enter here. Go. Okay, there. This one, this. Hey, Isha, hurry. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness, this is snow tubing.
Tube ले आओ, tube ले आओ,
Get your tubes. So this is tube. Okay. So this is everybody comes here for snow tubing and all. They also provide some like double tubing.
Go get it.
I'm just gonna get it. So this is, you can see, so much slippery over here, and you cannot imagine like how it's like they all manage with the steam. This is so used to using it. So I'm just gonna get this one. स्नो ट्यूब तो लेके चलना पड़ेगा साथ साथ. स्नो ट्यूबिंग का मजा उठाने के लिए आए थे दूर.
Dad, can me and you go?
No, we can. Okay, come on, come front, come here. You wanna go together?
No, I'm okay.
No, this is like for Misha, and this is for me.
But if how can I? What do I do when I'm? Where do I go?
मेरे साथ चलना यार, यहीं रुक जाना, यहीं सब मिलेंगे प्रसाद.
Oh, it's taking time.
We need to scan the card.
Again? All the time we have to scan?
ताकि 2 घंटे ज़्यादा कोई कर ना पाए.
Ah, buddy. My goodness. It's too much time taking, but still like everybody wants to come over here to enjoy this beautiful snow. You okay? Yes. And this is big line in front of me, and just behind you can see still like everybody is standing. Yes. You can see. Woo, now we are on track. Oh, hard work. It's a hard work.
No, you don't gotta walk.
Ew. Move. Get it right. This is all left instructions. Oh my goodness, this is all snow. I don't know how they create, but they're still snowing. Snow tubing. Yeah. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Now it's not snowing, that's why we came here to just enjoy this snow tubing. Yeah, it's like we spent around the money I will show over here, with the place, and so actually I don't know the exact price, so that I will show over here in the screen, so you can check the place and the things. So you can also come over here to enjoy snow tubing. If you're looking for something like fun to do in Pennsylvania, you can come over here. This is the zoomed view.
We'll see if we can. You see how much it is?
High hill.
This is horrible
You can see.
conditions.
Some people are there over there. So these are 2 slides, you can see. Our turn is started. Sammy, you going now?
No, it's like
You're going?
so you lean back and you
Okay.
control everything. You go on your toe.
Oh my goodness. We came finally up. It was taking time. And they are like little snow with the conveyor belt because of like they want to spend a lot of time like going up. That's horrible. And after scanning our card, the time has started, and it's only 2 hours over here. You can
Mom, you gotta watch your step.
just YouTubing, and 2 hours. I think you can just do 2 or 3 rounds, maybe. Extremely extra. So yeah, I can do. Oh yeah, you can go. Okay. Oh. Yay! Why? Oh, is that really snow? Oh my goodness. It's like not real snow, you can see. Just like, you know, but when if somebody goes to India, I like some other place with this to see snow, it looks like this dirty one. So you can see like they're waiting in queue
We are not that bad.
for their trams.
Come on, Misha.
Go to this lane. Go this lane.
You can see it's a scenic view over here from at the top of this mountain. They have created this snow. Misha, how are you feeling? Good. This is how it's snow tubing they are doing, and you can see this area there. There is for skiing. You can see the skiing area. They are coming from that side, and they're coming down to the that side. So that's other way, that side, but this is for snow tubing. So yes, it's fun, but it's too much tiring, taking too much time. Those who want to get experience with the snow tubing, they can come over here. Such a fun place to visit. Misha, after a long time waiting, they're tired. Misha, you wanna play snow? Okay, I can see everybody, like kids are playing snow, they're enjoying. Misha, go there. There's so much snow over there. One, two, three, go. Okay, you done? Settle down. Now our turn is coming up next.
Go ahead.
Hey, wow! It's a whole tide, okay? It's a whole tide. Oh my goodness! Oh, Misha, how was that? Oh my goodness! Oh. Oh. This is our first trip. Misha, how was that? Come this side. Come here. Come here. This side. Oh, come on, let's go. Come on, move. How was that, Misha? Good. Oh my goodness. After long waiting, one trip is done. So we are going for scanning again. Scan our card.
Go.
Let's go.
Yeah, go for Jason.
Okay, you're going together. These are two flights, and there are so many lines over there. You can see some people are coming from that side, and some people are coming from this side.
Mom, I'm not even going down yet.
You're going down. Hold tight, okay? Uh-huh. Papa gone. Sammy go. Bye, Sammy. This is our first time enjoying this kind of snow.
No, run to that here. You go.
What?
चलो करी चलो.
Okay, chalo. Go. So this is our second round, right? So our turn is coming. Misha, we're going together, right? Tanvi, waiting for your turn. So I'm going alone this time. And Sanvi is going Misha with Misha.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Papa in line. Misha, Misha say hi. Hi. Misha. Hi. You are going first and you come after. He's gonna push me, I think.
Go ahead.
Misha, you go.
Come on. Sammy, Misha, come on. Go. Sammy, how was that with Misha?
It's good.
Okay, let's go.
Misha was screaming so hard.
Watch yourselves, okay? Pull it. Oh, you want to hold it? This one, single one? Dad is coming. Snowball. You like a snowball? Oh my goodness.
Llegaron casi, ¿no?
Really to take it out. You can make snowball or not?
Ah, sí, tú.
Oh,
Te quedaron muy grandes.
so one. Ah,
¿Y tú no te pusiste salir a usar tenis shoes?
Misha, इधर look at me. This is our third round. We are going again, and it's almost 2 hours almost completed. Let's see, we're gonna do fourth round or not. Let's see. No tubing is like doing in slack snow. But still, yeah, I enjoyed it. Now hold tight, okay? Wow! Misha! Hold tight. Oh my goodness, so rain showers because this is mountain, so anytime can be showering. Rain showers. This is 4th round, and you can see this skiing over there, and they're enjoying with the kids also. The skiing is like we don't know how to ski, but still, but like now we have kids, so we can just do this. So it's no YouTubing, and yeah, this is all like little like snow, not snow, it's like rain showers. So Misha,
It's drizzling.
drizzling. You're right, it's just drizzling. This is just no YouTubing. Not YouTubing. I'm YouTubing. Sammy, why are you going to go backward? So I can't see. As like this, front.
I don't like
Front.
go backwards better.
Go front. Like this. This is good. Bye, Misha, Sammy. Misha.
Bye, Papa. Bye, Sammy. Bye.
Oh.
Bye. Bye, Papa. Bye, Sammy.
Bye, Sammy. Bye. Oh my goodness. Come this side. Go there. Okay. से हमारा ये लास्ट राउंड है जिसमें कि हमने अपना कार्ड एक्सपायर हो गया, तब भी हम लोग आ गए हैं. We are here again. This is our last round. Sanvi, जो भी enjoy करना, this is last round. But she gave us time, right? This is our last round. That's why we're gonna enjoy it. Like,
Dad, can we please go there?
after that, we're gonna go
Dad,
home.
please.
What?
Can we please do that?
Ready?
Alright. Maybe we'll go down the other mountain, the faster one.
No.
ज़्यादा भारी नहीं है, भाई साहब. चलो हम दादा आगे कैसे? Let me show you our conditions. You can see all dirt, all dirty. Show me your dress. Everything is dirty because of this muddy things. Everybody is dirty. सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है फिर क्लीनिंग का. Now it's cleaning time after that when we go home. Good job!
उसका वेट कर रही है अपने आप से.
कैसा फन था आज का?
Oh my God, it's amazing fun. It's such a nice weather, you know.
और इसके बाद
Now पेट पूजा की जरूरत है, बहुत हंग्री हो गया है.
ओके हो गया.
Hindu. Where are you today?
Blue Mountain Resort actually.
It's all the blue. मीशा को देखना तुम.
He's meeting us. He should be. This is the way they are going up to the mountain hilly area. What are you waiting for here? So that's the skiing area. Like, you can see the moving trolley over there. And they're skiing that side.
You can do it. You can do it.
So what's next? After that? सबसे ज़्यादा गंदी मैं ही हुई हूँ.
क्या हुआ थक गए?
हाँ भाई, it's all tired.
आग सेक लो थोड़ा सा, आग लगी.
आग लगी. Okay, let's go. This side.
But our thing doesn't work.
This will work. Okay. Okay, so after this snow tubing, now we are here again to check, to get some heat from this bonfire. What's it? Come sit there. Grab your chair. Sammy, sit here, come on.
Sit for 2 minutes, we'll go. Sit here. Stay here, I'll get some food, okay? Stay here.
Misha, what are you eating, guys? You hungry? Sammy? What are you eating, Misha? Mac and cheese? Oh my goodness, how's that? Good? And this is, I think, chicken, some spicy chicken. And that's, they are eating some mac and cheese, fries and some nuggets, right? So you can see such a beautiful over here area, the Blue Mountain Resort cafeteria, you can say, or the restaurant area. So this is how it looks like.
Say you don't like it.
So after snow tubing, everybody got tired and hungry. Okay. Share it, okay? Don't fight. They're hungry. And that's me. We have to go now. After that, we're going home. You can see this is the view from outside. So after every refreshment, like we all done, we are going back home. I think so. We're still. I think this is people like they're going up to the mountain for skiing again. And this is like some people came from like skiing area. And this is now the exit point in here. So that's how it was. Now we are moving forward to the other destination, which is not like, which is home actually. You can see such a beautiful view. You can see over here. This is actually a skiing area. The people are skiing over here. There's a rental process also. You can also rent from here and go and for skiing or YouTubing, whatever you want. You can see that they are going for returning something, and there are some carts over here. You can eat and enjoy as well. Yes, it is really beautiful resort. Those who are looking for like fun this winter, they can come. So let's go that thing. The Valley Cafe. There's a Valley Cafe, and there's you can see the people who are skiing over here. So those who are coming from skiing, they're coming down and going, passing this line, scanning their cards, and going back to this, what is that called? The trolley, I think. They're going by the trolley back to their destination, up to the mountain again for next round. But there's a big line. You have to wait in big line. So scanning system is good, but they have limited hours. Huh? What are you doing? Big snow. You cannot break it. You cannot break it. Oh yeah. Because people like.
Okay, we are going. Sanvi, let's go. Sanvi, let's go. पकड़ने स्लिप ना कर दे. So इसी के साथ now we are leaving. We are going to exit from here. We are going new place. We are going new place. We are going new place.
We're going to leave now, but she still wants to go.
No, we are going new place. Okay.
New place.
New place. You're not tired. We are going new
She's
place.
not tired yet.
Let's go new place.
Okay. So this was fun. Sammy, how was your day today?
Good.
Okay. So it's all done. Almost 3:30 or 4 maybe. We have to check timing, and it's gonna dark very soon. And we have to stop our vlog here.
Why you saying like?
We have to stop our vlog here, right? Say bye, everybody.
No. Bye. Bye.
Bye. You can see what's happening outside. Snow. Oh, I'm here without any, wearing any shoes and all. I just here. My husband and kids are out already, and you can see for this snow we were there to. You can see such a beautiful. This is our first snow here. Earlier it was like happening like small particles, like small, like it was little showers, snow showers, but not snow. So now you can see snowing, and just because of this snow we went there for enjoying the snow tubing. पता नहीं आज क्यों गए थे वहाँ पे हम लोग, उसने वहाँ पे स्नो ट्यूबिंग एंजॉय करी, और रात को हम लोग ये स्नो अपने घर के बाहर एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. Isn't it weird, right? अब पता नहीं लोग कहाँ चले गए, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, कोई भी बाहर नहीं है, मैं ही चली आई हूँ. देखो स्नो वो एंजॉय कर रहे मेरी. कहीं पागल है गया ये हाथ में स्नो एंजॉय कर रही है। सब पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए, देखते सब कहाँ है। चलते हैं प्रिया घर के अंदर। स्नो स्नो।
Look at the snow. Let's go home. You're taking rest here? Look
It
at
doesn't
this.
matter if my friend's stupid. And I see a car.
See. It's not time to make snow. Come on. Car is coming. Come on. Let's go. ठीक हो गया।
What are you doing? What are you doing, Misha? Sanvi?
She need to search her snow gloves, but this is temporary.
Okay.
Okay, Dad, can you push me?
My goodness. Today is Monday and it's snowing in the evening.
Let's snow start.
Oh my goodness. They were not waiting for, Today we already did snow tubing and again you're doing this sliding, this snow sliding. Still like not too much snow. Careful. Hold it, okay? Oh my goodness. Okay, so you're doing snow today?